D&D Cycles for their very first open house. This is our crew that came down, Coastal Motorcycle Club riders. Had a great little group ride down the back roads to get here. So let's go and see what this is all about. Tell me a little bit about what's going on today.
Well, we are having a very informal drive-in, ride-in, drink some coffee, eat some donuts, and have fun. A lot of just talking. A lot of people here that we haven't seen in 10, 15 years circling back in, and a lot of new customers too. And we've got specials throughout the store. So,
tell me a little bit about D&D Cycle.
46 years, family owned, myself and my husband and our son Rob. You might have met him already. He's the guy with the blazing white legs and the short shorts today. So, been doing this for that long, and probably another 50 at least.
If you've never been in an old school motorcycle workshop, take a good look at this, because that's exactly what it is. This is what a good workshop ought to look like. All the way from the classic bikes to the brand new ones. It's clear that the people that work in this shop know what the hell they're doing. Nowadays, with all these corporate dealerships, you worry about the quality of the people back in the shop. That's one thing about D&D Cycle. You don't have to worry about that. These guys know what they're doing. You can have confidence that your bike will be taken care of correctly. $36.99. Set up $300. Good 5,000 miles. Brand new condition. Look at that. There you go. Vincent Black Shadow. One of these sold for $100 grand at the auction.
That's the side valve for index. Index 2. And they say you can convert it. I'll tell you what, what's the sound? They're pretty radical. It does so many things.
It's gonna be.
You're gonna ride it up. Tell you what, you're a brave man. That speaks a lot to ride that.
And so I decided, I was like, am I gonna do a Triumph or am I gonna do Norton? Like, we wanted just old vintage bike, and I knew I wanted a British one. And give her. The other thing I liked about it was I also had a '69 Bronco done by Velocity.
Yep.
And Velocity.
Well, did you have a good time?
It was a good time, good group of guys, I'll tell you. That's what I've been looking for, is a group of riders that would be fun to be around and was a nice little trip over here. Look forward to looking at your YouTube channel.
Okay, well, ride safe and we'll see you down the road.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Man, that was a good day. That was a good day.